can see exercise 2.18 question. If D is the highest common factor of 32 and 60, so you have to find what is the HCF. So HCF only common divisor. D is a divisor. So finding and common divisor. HCF find out, and what is the D only highest common factor, HCF. So then find X and Y. How to do find? Satisfy that D is equal to 32 X plus 60Y, satisfy, and you have to find the value of X and Y. So how to do? We can find the solution. So first you have to find HCF of 32 and 60. You have to find what is the HCF, highest common factor. So this highest common factor only D, divisor. So then, so highest value 60 now, 60, then B is equal to 32. So by Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, equal to BQ plus R. So then what is the A? 60 is equal to B 32. So then how much time possible? Only one time. So 1 into 32, 32. So remaining is 28 will come. Remaining is 28 now. So then this we are consider equation number 1. So then these two values we can consider. So A equal to 32, B is equal to 28. So Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. No. So then what is the A? 32 is equal to 28. B value is 28. So how much time only possible? One time. So then remainder is 4. Getting. So then these two values you will consider. This you have to consider equation number 2. So then now A value is what? 28. B value is 4. So then by Euclid division lemma, A equal to BQ plus R now. A equal to BQ plus R. So A value 28 is equal to B 4. So 4 how much time multiply means equal to 25 or less than 25. 7 time is possible. 7 4s are 28. So then remainder is 0. So we got remainder 0. So then what is the divisor? So what is the divisor here? Divisor is 4. 4 is a divisor. So therefore HCF of 32 and 60 is 4. 32 and 60 is 4. HCF of 32 and 60 is 4. Then in this, what value this? D value now. So what is the divisor? So then from equation 2, so what is it? So this you have to consider equation number 3. Now, so then equation 2 or 32 is equal to 28 into 1 plus 4 now, plus 4. So interchange the LHS and RHS, only interchanging. 28 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 32. So Y means in this equation D is equal to 32x plus 60y now. 32x plus 60y. That I believe that. So that only. Then 4 is equal to 32. 28 into 1, 28 only. So plus 28 we can take answer means minus 28 elements. So then 4 is equal to, so 32 minus, so here 28 how we can write? 28 we are splitting. So 28 how we can write? 60 minus 32 you can write now. 60 minus 32 only 28. So in this type we can convert 60 minus 32. 60 minus 32, 28 getting. So 60 minus 32, that type 60 minus 32, 28 getting. Now, so then 4 equal to 32 minus into plus minus 60. So minus into minus plus. So then plus 32 will get, plus 32 will get now. So then now, so these two values here also there now. So then here look, 4 equal to, so 32, how much time the 32, 2 times the 32, 32. So then 32 into 2, the type we can write, 32 into 2, the type we can write, 32 into 2, 32 plus 32, 64. So 32 into 2, same meaning only, 64 only get. So minus 60, we can convert. So plus, then in this here form, the plus sign only there. So we are considering plus. Then 60 into minus 1. The same meaning only now. Plus into minus, minus 60 into minus 1. Minus 60 will get. Minus 60. Okay, so 32 into 32. 32 into 2. You can write 32 into 2. 32 2 times there. So 32 into 2. Plus 60 into minus 1. Why are you taking this type? So in this formula converting. So we have to find now. So then now check in this word form, d is equal to, in this form take, satisfy the equation 32x plus 60y. No, 32x plus 60y. So now look, what is the value of x? What is the value of y? So therefore x equal to 2, then y equal to minus 1. So in this way we can satisfy the equation.